And I'm Chef Mike Anthony.
And today we're going to be showing you how to make crispy croutons. Have you ever wondered what to do when your bread gets a little dry and it's not so good for sandwiches? Well, this recipe will tell you what to do. It's called crispy croutons, and basically it's just crispy croutons.
To start, let's cut it in chunks, okay? We use bread knives.
And keep your hand in a nice safe position.
Yeah, that's a good idea. How's that? Do those look like good pieces?
Yeah. My dad's gonna smash the garlic. Take
All right,
it away,
here's a
Dad.
whole head of garlic, and I'm just gonna break off a few cloves, and then with the side of the knife, just gonna smash them, and the peels come right off. And I'm not gonna cut them any smaller because we're gonna toast them in the pan with the bread, and I don't really want for them to burn. When they get lightly brown, they're sweet, but if they get darker than that, they turn bitter. All right, we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil in this pan and get it hot. Addie, would you pour, that's about a half a cup of olive oil.
Half a cup of olive oil
Yeah.
into the pan.
We're gonna add some butter as well. And then you wanna just dump the garlic in there.
Garlic in a bowl.
Put the garlic in the pan.
In the pan.
You wanna just swirl it around just a little bit. Okay, once the butter is melted, Addie, you wanna start adding croutons to the pan?
So I'm just gonna take a handful of them to start and plop them in. Another handful. The pan is so hot.
All right, so now that they're starting to brown, Addie, do you wanna stir them a little bit? We can stir
Okay.
them, or we could give them a little toss. Okay, give it a stir.
Just give it a big stir.
Do you notice how all the oil and the butter got soaked up? Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll just let them sit still in the pan until they start to brown. Addie, will you add the salt and pepper?
How much? Like a swirl?
Keep going. And then the pepper.
We're gonna add some dried basil and some dried oregano to our crispy croutons.
And I'm gonna add a little pepper flake.
But not add too much.
Nice job. All right, now when they get nice and brown, we're gonna turn off the stove.
So they are actually ready now, which only took like 5 minutes.
Then we're gonna
Quick
put
and
them
easy.
on a paper towel.
Soaking up all of
The extra butter.
the butter.
I like to sprinkle a little bit of grated cheese on it to finish. How's that sound? You wanna sprinkle?
Sure.
All right, here we go. Do you wanna taste one?
Sure. These are awesome. Now it's your turn to try this deliciousness. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button.